Okay, good day to each and everyone. So this time we are going to familiarize the interface of the QGIS software. So this is not actually the latest version, but uh, it's not actually a problem because it is also important to select the version which is already stable. So in the latest version of QGIS, there are instances that the plugins are still not available. Okay, so start, of course, on this portion, we can see the menu bars. Okay, let's try to open the project. So we use this to save the template, or to save or to export the template, open templates, and as well as when we decide to layout or to exit. And then there are other options in this aspect, as well as for the edit, view, okay, and others. So in this part of the menu bars, we can also see the option for installing or managing the plugins. And then, of course, for the vector and raster, for the processing tools, we can see all those tools here for vector and raster. And then this one is also very important, the quick map services. But of course, first you have to first install the quick map services in the plugins. You might observe that in the newly installed QGIS, you cannot see this quick map services. Okay, so we used to process data in the Google satellite. So we can see that here, this portion of the web under menu bar. Okay. Then for the other tools, we can see the other tools here in the processing. Okay. That is just the same with this one. Okay. So now the next one is of course the toolbars on this part of the user interface of the QGIS for navigating the files. Okay, let's just try to open the file. Let's try this one. So this is our map view, the largest portion, of course, of the QGIS, and it is the most important part of the QGIS, I think, because this is the place where we can see or process the data. Okay. This part is also our layer panels or layer panel. In this part of the QGIS, we can see the different data sets. These are actually shape files and the raster data. This one is a shape file, and the other one here is the raster data. Okay. Below is the browser panel. So yeah, in the browser panel, this is the part of QGIS where we can see the storage. Okay, so this is similar to the my computer or of our laptops. This is like the database of all the files. Okay, we can actually open and see the different folders. Okay, let me try to open one folder under the GIS. So these are the example of my data saved in the folder. So these are shape files. The other one here is an Excel data. So this is actually still part of the toolbars. I just modified the placement. So we can just do that here in QGIS. In the processing toolbox, we can also easily search the different tools using the search tool. Of course, if we are not yet familiarized with the placement of the tools, which part of the toolbox, so we can just simply use or utilize the search tool. Okay, and then below is of course the status bar. Okay, so this shows the coordinates, scale. Okay. So as I move the cursor, you can observe the coordinates is also moving. Okay. And another thing to familiarize, one important part, of course, is the layout manager. If you decide to generate the map or layout the map, so you are going to use the layout manager. Okay, just click this option here. Yeah, and then you can now start to create your layout. Okay, just click OK, and then yeah, this one. So there is a separate layout for the layout. Then the map view is different from this one. So we can simply add data from the browser and add it to our layer or directly to the map view. Let's try this one. So I just added the Isabela shapefile. This is a boundary of the province of Isabela. I think this is a municipal boundary. Okay, so this is the provincial boundary, or I mean municipal boundary of the province of Isabela. Okay. If you want to check the data, for instance, you want to see different municipalities under this province, so you'll just have to open the attribute table. Just right click on the file and then this one will appear. So these are the municipalities under this province. The uppermost row represents the field ID or the field name, I should say. It is important to always read or check different names of the fields. Okay. So it's a feature have its own attribute table. So the attribute table of this shapefile is different from the shapefile that I just opened a while ago. Isabella.